Hey, good morning, fam. So I'm outside now. My husband, he got the part he needed together fixed so that he could try to lift this thing out of the back of his Jeep and put it in his truck. Let me flip the camera around so you can see what I'm talking about. Hey, honey. Oh, okay. So he put this together in my garage. He didn't record any of it. I wish he did, but he didn't. So now he's trying to lift this up. Okay. What is this part again?
Differential.
A differential? What's the difference between those? Okay, it's coming up. So we were going to use the tractor, but the tractor was way too heavy for our trailer. I'll show you our trailer all empty from all of the trash that we dumped at the dump the other day. I'm so happy to see that gone. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I'm telling you not to fall. I'm backing up about to fall. Wait. I didn't want to hit your brake light. There's nothing on the trailer. So exciting, because now if I want to, or when I get ready to pick up my soil and my wood chips for my garden, is now ready for me to use. This is part of preparing the land, making sure you have things in order. I also have to clean out the sunroom. I don't know if that'll be this video. It may be another video, because I don't want to stick too much in this video, but I'm just excited that this part is done. So while he's getting ready to get the differential clean, then I am going to go ahead and feed the animals. So this is our generator right here. He uses this on his truck though. I need to give them some water. Why? Huh? Why? So I don't quite know what the temp is at the moment, but it feels like it's probably around 40-ish. So with that being the situation, I'm gonna go ahead and do something I've been putting off because it's been so cold, and that is to clean out the rabbit poopy trays. My favorite job in the world. Not. But let me tell you, The blessings that they give my garden with this poop is amazing. It cannot be replaced.
Harder to slow down, 'cause we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown. 1,000 good miles. The years have come and gone, but we're right where we feel we belong. And anyone else would have turned back by now. But we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, leaving everyone behind as their slow fires die down. Once we left, we found it harder and harder to slow down. Yeah, we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, leaving everyone behind as their slow fires die down. Once we left, we found it harder and harder to slow down, 'cause we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown. 1,000 good miles. Yeah, yeah, 1,000 good miles. Oh, 1,000 good miles. Oh, yeah. 1,000 good miles. Ooh, yeah. 1,000 good miles.
What'd you spray it with? Degreaser or something? Nice.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow. Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever. There's things in life you simply need to know, but sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end. Don't say you're ridiculous, you're not even close. Don't wish for indifference, you're not one of those. We fall, but we always rise up through it all. We get a little wiser. There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end. And if you ever wonder, there is nothing wrong with a little thunder. There's things in life you simply need to know. About sun and rain and trust in letting go.
So everything is drained in a bucket. It's not just dropping on the ground. And now he's just wiping as much of that grease buildup he can get off of it. Okay, so I just dumped my last one into here, which were from my doughs. This one, this is what it looks like inside. And then I did hers down here. So you see the mess I made. I'm about to get that raked up and thrown into here. And then we're gonna go and dump, this will be the second load because I did the bucks first. And I put theirs in the first raised bed. And now I'm about to put what I have in here in the second raised bed.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
So that's the first raised bed. I already put one in. Now I'm about to put it in this one right here.
I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you, you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like
Okay, so I have these two beds right here taken care of, meaning I only have 4 big beds, and then maybe 5 of those side beds that are back there to take care of with the rabbit manure. Rabbit manure can be put on your garden without waiting. It is a cold manure, not just because it's cold outside, but because it won't burn your starts when you put them into the ground, into your beds. So just wanted to show you that a little bit, and let's see what my husband is up to now. So we're gonna end the video here because he is still doing what?
Cleaning.
Cleaning that part right there. We'll pick back up tomorrow. He's gonna keep cleaning. I'm about to head out and do a store walkthrough from my other channel. So thank y'all for being here. Bye. So he's still cleaning that part, and we're gonna end the video right here. See you on the next video, and I'll holla. Peace, love, and light. Thanks for being here. Things you can do for your family is to start a garden, get your seeds, figure out what you're going to grow, where you're going to grow it, how you're going to grow it, and get busy doing that. You don't have to have a garden bed. You can use buckets like you see the white buckets right there. Just do something, because relying on someone else is giving them control.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?